Hey, welcome back to lIHITRO Bank. My name is Adam. Today we're talking about affiliate marketing in 2026, and I want to clear up a lot of confusion right away. Affiliate marketing is not dead. In fact, it's growing faster than ever. What changed is how it works and who actually makes money from it. If you're a beginner watching this video is going to give you a realistic path instead of hype. Affiliate income continues to grow because companies are spending more money on performance-based marketing. Instead of paying huge upfront advertising fees, brands prefer paying commissions only when a sale happens. That is why affiliate programs in niches like AI tools, finance apps, software subscriptions, and online services are exploding right now. Let me explain how affiliate marketing really works today. You recommend a product or service. Someone buys through your link. You earn a commission. Simple in theory. The mistake beginners make is chasing random products with no trust and no real audience connection. In 2026, the money is not in promoting everything. The money is in promoting the right things to the right people at the right time. AI products are one of the strongest affiliate categories right now. Businesses and individuals are constantly searching for tools that save time, increase income, or reduce work. Many AI tools offer recurring commissions, which means you get paid every month as long as the customer stays subscribed. That is how affiliate income becomes predictable instead of one time. Finance is another massive opportunity. Credit cards, investing apps, budgeting tools, tax software, and financial education platforms all pay high commissions because customer lifetime value is high. Companies are willing to pay more to acquire customers in this space. Now here is where beginners usually mess up. They think they need a huge audience to start. You do not. What you need is relevance and trust. A small audience that trusts you converts better than a big audience that ignores you. When I approach affiliate marketing, I focus on one core idea. I ask myself what problem is someone already trying to solve. Then I show them a product that genuinely helps solve it. That is it. Content is the engine. In 2026, content that works best is educational and experience-based. Tutorials, comparisons, honest reviews, use case explanations. People want to see how something works before they buy. They do not want ads. They want guidance. This is where AI helps you as a creator. AI can help you research products, outline content, write scripts, generate email sequences, and even repurpose content across platforms. But you still need your voice and your honesty. Trust is what converts clicks into commissions. Platforms matter too. YouTube continues to be one of the best platforms for affiliate marketing because video builds trust faster than text. Short-form content on platforms like Instagram and TikTok is powerful for discovery. Blogs still work for search-based traffic, especially in finance and software niches. Email lists turn affiliate income into long-term income because you control the audience. One important thing beginners must understand is that affiliate marketing is not instant money. It is a system. You create content once and it can earn for years if done right. That is why it is still one of the best online income models. The people who fail are the ones who quit too early or promote things they do not understand. The people who win treat affiliate marketing like a real business. They test offers. They track results. They improve content. They stay consistent. In 2026, the smartest approach is to combine affiliate marketing with education. Teach while you recommend. Explain while you promote. When people learn from you, they buy from you. If you're starting from zero, pick one niche, either AI or finance. Learn it deeply. Create helpful content around it. Recommend tools you would actually use yourself. That alone puts you ahead of most beginners. Let me say this clearly. Affiliate marketing is not about tricking people into buying. It is about helping people make better decisions and getting paid for it. If you stay patient, stay honest, and stay consistent, affiliate marketing can turn into a serious income stream over time. If you want, I can make the next video showing exactly how to start affiliate marketing from zero step by step using AI tools. Or I can break down the highest paying affiliate programs in AI and finance right now and how beginners can qualify for them. Tell me in the comments what you want next and I will make that video for you. If this video helped you understand how affiliate marketing really works in 2026, subscribe to the channel. I post practical money and AI videos focused on real income, not hype. Like the video so more people can find it. And comment below which niche you want to start with, AI or finance. I will see you in the next one.